This will be a video of my 87 Tank Engine collection. Now this spans multiple different ranges of merchandise of between Lego, Tonka, Matchbox, Adventure Force, Brio, actual Thomas Wooden Railway, and these are all original characters, except for one. I'll get into that. So here we got 87. Which one's which? Alex, Max, Albert, Sam, Mark, Fred, Nora, Jim, Kix, Daylight, Cody, Jen, Daniel. Henry is not an actual original character. He just guest stars a lot. And on this side, we got Caden, Kate, Madeline, Dan, Den. No, that's Den. That's Dan. Billy, Phil, Garrett. That's all for the engines. Now let's get to the rolling the vehicles. Bull, or did I rename him? Yep, Bull, Sage, Cameron, Aaron, I meant to say. There is Miller, Carter, Bill, AJ. There is Johnny. His trailer's right there. Joel, Simon, Matt, Brad, Jack, Kyle and Wallace, trailer and tractor respectively, TJ, Jay, and Grace. It's really hard to remember them all. So, now let's get down to the boats. There's only one. Oh wait, no, there's two. There is Zach and Jake. Now let's get down to the rolling stock with faces. So there is Ronnie, Stan, Matt, Martha and Greg, if I didn't say, AJ and Crane, just in case I didn't say. Oh, I think I forgot Tonka, just in case I forgot. Now let's get down to my top tower like cranes. Here is Carl, Ed, Big Mike, and Sarah. Alright, I just had to pull up my list of character names. No characters. I think I got updated actually. Because the humans. For the humans. There's the controller, Samuel, Jill, San Francisco dock manager, the controller's wife, Jason, Jackson, Alright, and Richard. Martha, I'm missing her husband. Okay, I'll just say about the weird thing is that I have Richard on the Daylight's Destiny script. You know, he's named Richard, but on the script, he is named Brad. So, fun fact, he's like the first iteration of Brad. Well, random fact of the day. I guess the fact that I'd completely forgotten about. Anyways, construction yard manager. Um, Dan's old controller. A set of random drivers or firemen or station masters. I think I have one more. And these two also kind of doubled before as random people. And if I didn't say it, Jackson and Jason. Now here are my accessories from 87 the Tank Engine that they're not characters at all. They're just either accessories for another character or they go with, well, yeah, it is accessories with another character. Alright, random cut because reasons. That with the other probably 20 cuts that I've already done. I forgot to add some stuff to this. Not to there, but over here. But anyways, we got well, at least one of Albert's Express coaches. I can't find the other one in my box of Thomas stuff. Siege parts, because I can't keep up with anything. We got Sam's Works Unit Coach, Sam's Ladder Car. A lot of this is for Sam. We got the Shunting Yard crane, the controller's personal vehicle. What vehicle is this? So he drives a Mercedes. It's from Hot Wheels. Can't see it from last year. It's well, the chassis says from last year. We got Josh's water tank, Sam's water tanker. I'm using his old name. Got Seth's bucket, super glue because I was super gluing new lamps onto a couple of characters because they broke off. Got Sam's winch car. Got a trailer that TJ carries around. It's a reduced speed trailer for like construction on roads or if there's an accident. And fire chief car, which I use. And the Quarrymaster's car. Now these are both my Matchbox boxes. So yeah, it's also a red pickup truck you'll see around. I just didn't bother to get that out. Actually, it's not that I didn't bother to get that out. I didn't bother to get under my table because it fell behind the table at one point. I'll have to get it at some point, but I'm not doing it right now. So yeah, that was my entire 87 the Tank Engine character collection. This is the background music you've been hearing. So yeah, that is about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.